No one is completely good, and no one is also completely bad. Unfortunately, many people are growing a double crop. Some wheat are mixed with some weeds, and without knowing it, we water both of them. We nourish both the wheat and the weeds in our life. This we do even if God has warned us that the weeds must be burned because they are useless, they are valueless. Weeds can only grow in a neglected garden, and similarly, spiritual weeds can only grow in a neglected spiritual life. Amen.